Let's delve into the world of unrestricted grammars, also known as Type-0 grammars, and explore their computational power. This falls under the theory of computation. Unrestricted grammars are the most general type of formal grammars. The key characteristic is that there are no restrictions on their production rules. Formally, a grammar G is defined as a tuple consisting of V, T, P, and S. Here, V represents the set of variables or non-terminal symbols. T represents the set of terminals, which are the basic symbols that form the strings of the language. P represents the set of productions, which are the rules that define how to transform strings. And S represents the start symbol, which is a special variable from which all derivations begin. The production rules in an unrestricted grammar take the form alpha derives beta, where alpha and beta are strings of variables and terminals. Unlike other types of grammars, there are no constraints on what alpha and beta can be. The left side and the right side can contain any combination of variables and terminals. Let's consider an example grammar. Here S derives ASBC or ABC. S derives SA. SB derives BS, and BC derives CB. These production rules can generate strings like A to the power NB to the power NC to the power N, where N is greater than or equal to 1. The computational power of unrestricted grammars is equivalent to that of Turing machines. This means that any language that can be recognized by a Turing machine can be generated by an unrestricted grammar, and vice versa. Unrestricted grammars can recognize all recursively enumerable languages. Unrestricted grammars or Type-0 grammars occupy the highest level in the Chomsky hierarchy. Below them are Type 1, context-sensitive grammars, Type 2, context-free grammars, and Type 3 regular grammars. Each level has more restrictions than the one above it. The key properties of unrestricted grammars are that they are the most powerful in the Chomsky hierarchy. Due to their power, they have undecidable parsing problems, meaning there is no algorithm that can always determine whether a given string belongs to the language generated by the grammar. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.